Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. हमारे इस पहले वेब पॉडकास्ट के जो गेस्ट है वो है डॉक्टर श्रद्धा नरोड़े। इन्होंने अपनी एमबीबीएस की है इमैनुअल कैंट बैल्टिक फेडरल यूनिवर्सिटी से एंड रिसेंटली उन्होंने एफएमजी क्रैक किया है बहुत ही अच्छे टॉप नॉच स्कोर के साथ। शी स्कोर 221 इन एफएमजी। सो वेलकम डॉक्टर श्रद्धा।
Thank you so much.
सो आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें, अपने आप के बारे में बताएं।
Hi, my name is Shraddha Narode. I was an alumni in IKPFU. I just completed my degree in like this June in 2024 and I passed FMJ in like January 2025. I guess
Okay,
that's it.
so how was your journey? Like how you started here and how you ended up in IKBFU?
Okay, so after my NEET UG, I wanted to give a retake, but then one of my senior, she suggested me that it's better to go outside than to keep repeating NEET UGs. So she actually suggested me some other university, but then I came to know about Immanuel Kant that it's a federal university, which is like way better than state universities. And then I got to many agencies that recruited the students this side. So I talked to them, and then I just found that it gave many opportunities, like better than any other universities. And they always take small amount of students, which is good because you get a specific approach and they guide you in a better way than any other university, I feel.
Yes,
And
it's
what
like
I like
Mhm.
personally about IKBFU is the academics part was best for me. I had no complaints. Of course, the language barrier is a thing. I know we go to some other country, learning Russian is so difficult, and mixing up with Russians. It's a task. I get it. With small, like you have to face some difficulties wherever you are in the world. So it's okay.
It's okay. I know, for me, what I experienced here, if you want to study medicine only, there might be any other university that will suit you. But if you want an all-round performance, IKBF is like best.
Yeah.
Extracurricular activities and other activities as well. So, how were your last 6 साल आपके IKBF में कैसे रहे? एंड आपके टाइम पे थोड़ा लॉकडाउन वॉकडाउन भी हो गया था, तो हाउ वाज इट?
Yeah. Our batch went through both COVID and the war. So yeah, ups and downs stay. I won't say कि सिर्फ ups थे. I won't lie or like students coming, those who are there, they know the problems. And but it's okay. After every down, there was a up. um, it was not only about academics to me. It was also like the diversity that I have seen in IKBFU, different students. I was able to like represent my culture and my nationality at this huge level. It was a big thing for me. Also, IKBFU gave me a chance to do researches. Like it was my dream to do a research. I have always dreamed to do it, but then I never knew how to do it. So the teachers, they guided us very well. Like I know in India it's so difficult to like do a research and publish it, but it was very easy when the teachers there guided me. And it's all together when it comes to everything: academics, culturally, research opportunities, and the community, the extra, like not the academically but the other community that you the not the teachers, but I'll say the management. They are
Yeah.
very helpful in every circumstances of your life. It's not only academics. They help you to develop.
Yeah, it's true, and you get an opportunity to represent yourself here. That's the thing I like about you.
Yeah.
Extravaganza and बाकी सारी चीजें यहाँ पर होती
Yeah.
हैं एंड इतने ग्रुप्स है, इतनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, सो मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ कि इतना सब कुछ तो मैंने नहीं देखा है। इट्स लाइक इमेंस डाइवर्सिटी। तो लाइक आप और कुछ चीज ऐड करना चाहेंगे इसमें?
I don't think so.
No, how would we suggest, when you study in India, in medical college, for first year students here in Russia, in India, what you get, the resources are like, there is regional, you study regional anatomy, and here you study systemic
Yeah.
anatomy. So,
Yeah.
लाइक अगर स्टूडेंट रिसोर्स यूज करना चाहते हैं तो उनके पास ज्यादा जो रिसोर्स होते हैं वो रीजनल एनाटॉमी के होते हैं, तो व्हाट
Yeah,
वुड यू
yeah.
सजेस्ट टू देम फॉर सिस्टमिक एनाटॉमी?
So for the first year, you have to go through the way that they teach you. By the end of your first year, when the whole curriculum is like done, then you can refer to these books.
या
That's what we did. We first started with the Russian books. We did it in their way, the systemic anatomies, and then we like switched to our books.
ओके, लाइक which बीडी चौरसिया एंड ऑल?
Yeah, BD Choras and Grey's Anatomy. We did too.
Yeah. Okay, so like from which year you started studying for FMG and your resources, obviously?
See, I took the resource. I had prep ladder and then I took it in fifth year, but I won't suggest anyone to like start from the fifth year. You
Yeah.
have to go slowly and steady every year, read books, go through your curriculum. That's the most important part, I would say. And then when like around your fourth to fifth year, you have completed major of your subjects, then you switch to these resources, which are better because self-study is very important, guys. Don't rely apps, I'll suggest. They teach you,
Self,
but self study is the most important thing for this.
since like you started in fifth year and you cracked it, it's awesome. It's awesome. So like you prefer, like you want to say आप students को ये बताना चाहते हो कि start early as possible,
Yeah,
third year?
as a see, I'm not burdening you कि first year से तुम लोग बहुत पढ़ाई करो, but like कंपट थोड़ा सा ऐसे कंपार्टमेंट कर लो ना, like first year you have to complete these subjects, like छोटा छोटा, like anatomy is a thing which is a base. ये
Yeah.
सर्जरी में भी आने वाला है, so do good when you have time. First year में you have time, you can do छोटा 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 subjects and then finish it off.
So have you assisted any surgery or anything? Like, what was your
I did,
experience
I
in
did.
hospitals here? Yeah.
We get internships in Kaliningrad in IKBF. Okay, it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
fun. See, I know internships घर जाना होता है and everyone's like नहीं मुझे नहीं करना है, but guys
uh,
take a break, learn things. वहाँ पे the teachers, if you are involved, they teach you a lot of things. I was there, I assisted surgeries, I've seen surgeries, everything they allow you to do. Just you have to blend in with them. Like
yeah.
अब खुद को ही अलग मत करो. Learn Russian. That's why they teach you Russian, so you can blend with them easily.
Yes, cheat codes होता है कुछ फर्स्ट ईयर वालों के लिए, यान इज नायो एंड ऑल लाइक दिस,
या
तो यार।
फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर के लिए ये ठीक है, बट व्हेन यू लाइक थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर, तब तुम लोग सीख जाओगे. रशियंस के साथ बात करो. तुम लोग जितना लोकलाइज के साथ रहोगे, इट्स गुड फॉर यू गाइस.
Yes, like the teachers are really supportive. We have a Russian teacher here, and she's like very much supportive as well. Like she lets us interact with. She combines like Russian students के साथ हमारी क्लास कराती है कभी, and हम interact करते हैं, and she tells us only to interact in Russian and all. I think we are supportive, trips पे ले जाते हैं, Zelenograss ले गए and also like these teachers are like awesome, awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
So
No comments
like
with the faculty from my side also. Like they were perfect.
no, they were perfect. They were perfect. What's like your most beautiful moment in Russia जो आप अभी भी याद करते हैं? Like you spent 6 years here, so what was the best thing you did here?
Trust me, that was my degree day. When I got my degree in my hand, I was the happiest person on that place. Like I have spent 6 years. I was waiting for this day for so long, and the day I got my degree in my hand, I was the happiest.
Yeah, I
Being
saw
called.
that picture. You're smiling.
Yeah, yeah. I guess that was my favorite part.
Yeah. So, what are your plans like in future? What do you want to pursue? Medicine, surgery,
Hoping
radiology?
like I've not like actually chosen a path right now. I want to explore. I want to see every faculty, which is good for me, which is not, like what I can do, like what are my capabilities. And then this 1 year internship, I guess it's going to be very helpful for me to like
Yeah.
explore things. And then maybe I was hoping to do something in surgery, but something in pediatric surgeries or something like this. Hopefully, let's see, I'll go into it.
So, like, is there anything we missed?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, like what is the conclusion? Like you want
I'll
what
I'll I'll tell something for the students that are preparing for the FMG or the next.
yeah.
See, one specific thing that I'm going to tell you: don't switch between the courses. Whatever you take, trust that course and like go ahead with it. You don't have to switch कि like मेरे दोस्त ने ये लिया like उसका ज्यादा पढ़ाई हो रहा है नहीं. It's the
Mhm.
same in any platform. It's the same, and by the time you're writing the exam, you should have the study material कि मेरे को ये करना है and you should be ready with it. Don't start कि like अभी क्या start करना है like. और आपके आपके notes आपके पास. It's very important to have notes. Okay, and then see, everyone's like पढ़ाई का बहुत हो गया, but I'll suggest you something कि do both. Study भी करो and then make friends, make Russian friends, make some other country ka friends, and then you have like this opportunities like extravaganza and events throughout the year. Like every 1 month I see IKBF में कुछ ना कुछ event है. Engage in this events, take a part in this. Like it's not about only studies, it's the journey that you are having there. Like
Yeah.
have it in the most positive way. Be optimistic. I know बहुत problems आने वाली है. You have to be positive and mindful. That's the only way you're gonna go through it. Okay, and
Mm.
uh, stay motivated.
Stay
I don't know.
motivated.
Yeah.
Yes, I was just scrolling the internet and I saw like pictures of you and some international students uploaded by some organization of Kaliningrad back in 2019. Like
Oh, okay.
a
Yeah.
lot of activities you had been a part of. So, what
Yeah.
like any other place apart of Kaliningrad you loved in Russia and you visited?
Yeah, we have visited some of the like small towns near Kaliningrad. There are many towns, there are many places to go near Kaliningrad. You can go dance, like it's near Poland. It's not actually in Poland, but it's like near Kaliningrad. You can like go to the small farms. Those are like around Kaliningrad. Those are pretty. You can go Moscow and St. Petersburg, which is a good option. Like if you like to go outside in 6 days.
Any activity you will suggest to like students who are here like to experience कौन सी activity है वो
To
जो experience
experience.
कर सकते हैं? Hmm.
Huh. That's a difficult question, I guess.
There are a
No.
lot. There are a lot. So like
Yeah, a lot of them. You should like
it,
explore Kaliningrad. It's like an old German, like the buildings, the architecture, it's really different than any other part.
it's awesome. Like my friend is in a different place. He calls me like, you are lucky to get there. Like if I
Yeah, yeah.
was aware about that. The one thing I think there is a drawback. I don't know was it at your time. Like you don't have connectivity directly to Russia, so you have to go anywhere. You have to take a plane. So I think that's a thing for me that matters. So if like it would have been a bit cheaper to go by road or any
Yeah,
other
yeah.
thing, and you could have visited. Maybe it's a positive as well. We can take it as a positive also. So
Hopefully,
thank.
after some time, you can travel by the trains if they open.
So at your time, were there trains
Yeah,
going
there
to?
were. Yeah, yeah. In the start years, there were. So you
There
were
were
able to
like
Moscow by train. So
with
there
a
were
transit
options
with a transit
with the
visa
transit
or
visa. Yeah, yeah,
okay. So right now you can't.
yeah. But I
So
guess
it's
hopefully in the future it will open
yeah.
again.
Hopefully in the future things will open and you will get a lot of time when you are going back to home through via Moscow. You can stay there for 1 2 days or at any other
Yeah,
place. You
yeah.
get a
You can
lot
stay
of
in
time.
St. Petersburg too. It's pretty
Yeah.
good.
You went
Yeah.
to St. Petersburg.
No, unfortunately I didn't. I only went to Moscow. But yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So like one thing was in my mind. What was your batch? 2018.
2018, yeah.
So at that time you reached FIFA World Cup was going on here.
It was prior to us. Like we
Okay.
went there in like September. It was in June, July. But my senior
Okay.
batch, they it was
They
there.
enjoy. Okay, okay. They
Yeah,
enjoyed it. Yeah.
they enjoyed it. Yeah.
So thanks a lot, Dr. Shraddha, for being on this podcast. And hopefully this will be a good one and informative for a lot of students. Keep like we hope you a success whatever branch or whatever thing you desire in future, hopefully you will get that.
Yeah, thank you so much. All the best to you too.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.